Are you unconsciously holding your breath, and could this be impacting feelings of anxiety and exercise tolerance? I have been reading a really interesting paper by Feinstein and colleagues with the proposed model of apnea-induced anxiety. So let me explain. By evolution, it's thought that the amygdala, so the part of the brain that's involved with fear, can inhibit the breathing center to cause a pause in breathing so that the prey can go unnoticed by a predator. So could it be that the individual outside of their awareness stops breathing in response to a perceived threat? So for example, work stress, gaming, being on your phone, emails. So the amygdala, so that area in the brain, has this ability to inhibit the breathing center. The breathing center then is paused and the waste product is not being released from the body, so the carbon dioxide raises in the blood. Eventually the inhibition is released from the breathing center, and the breathing center then suddenly notices the carbon dioxide is much higher than expected. And carbon dioxide can give that feeling of air hunger, so that feeling that you need to take a bigger breath in, or you feel slightly suffocated, or you're not getting enough oxygen in. And the model proposes that over time, this can disproportionately make someone sensitive to carbon dioxide, or more reactive to it. So a sudden sense of sort of air hunger developing. Now this is a proposed model, so it's not been accepted by everyone, but I do think it fits with what I'm seeing whilst I help individuals re-educate their body to breathe as nature intended. However, the good news is you can practice breathing exercises to become more tolerant to carbon dioxide and actually befriend carbon dioxide. And that means people generally feel calmer and they then can exercise with greater ease. So just notice how you breathe over the next week or two, and notice if you unconsciously hold your breath. And I would be interested to know whether this is after the inhale or the exhale.